Hi everyone, welcome back. Lamisha here, of course, from LamishaSerf-Walls.com, bringing you another Mindset Monday tip for your week. As you know, I have been talking lots about leveling up in your life and business and how to level up, what you can expect when you level up. Last week I shared some signs that you are definitely ready to level up. So if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do. But today I want to talk about something that I've actually just shared with one of my current clients, something I call mindset triage. Now, this particular client is a nurse, so she totally understands this whole concept of triage. But I started thinking about the specific things that we go through when we are actively getting to that next level, right? And some of the things that would be really helpful for you as you move to the next level. And so I want to talk a little bit about your next level mindset triage. Now, when I'm talking about mindset triage, what I'm really talking about is how you handle those day-to-day sort of gremlins that come up as you are moving to the next level. So if you have been around here for a while, you know I talk a lot about upper limits and moving outside of your comfort zone. And one of the things that you are guaranteed to experience when you move to the next level are some pretty in-your-face challenges. And you're probably going to start seeing some challenges that pop up that sort of try to convince you that what you are reaching for or that next level is impossible for you, or it's going to kind of give you some indication that maybe that's not the right step for you. It's basically going to counter that new level that you're moving to. So a lot of times people come to me and they say, oh my gosh, like I set this massive goal, I'm ready to step up, I'm ready to make more money, I'm ready to change my career. And then as soon as they make that powerful declaration, they get hit with this massive challenge, right? Bills pop up out of nowhere, they lose clients, their business changes, something happens, and they're going, wait, what's happening right now? And our minds want to automatically assume that what is happening is giving us a sign that says we're not meant to go to that next place, right? Because somewhere along the line, we created the story that moving to the next level means no resistance, no challenges, no growth. And that's not actually how it works. There is growth, there are challenges, but it's really about what you do with those challenges that help you kind of smooth out the bumps and get to the next level. And that's where this mindset triage really comes in. So one of the things that I really recommend for all of my clients is to spend some time really being aware of where your sort of glitches or your triggers come up. Because once you set that next level desire, intention, or goal, it will be challenged and your triggers will come up. They will come out of the blue and you'll be presented with them. You'll have to sort of deal with them. So being aware of them is going to be super important. The second thing you want to do is you want to just stop and be aware that this trigger has just come up, this challenge has just emerged. And remember that you have an opportunity to respond differently. Now, I talk about this a lot, but it's especially important when you're moving to this next level. So say that example I gave before where you've set this massive financial goal and then all of a sudden you get hit with this incredible bill. And you're thinking, I have no idea how I'm going to pay that. I want more money, but now this bill is coming up. What am I supposed to do? Well, the old story might be, I never have enough. This always happens. I can't believe this is happening again. Or this next level triage, this next level mindset triage is, I see that. I don't necessarily know how it's going to get paid, but I know that I'm on the right track. More money's coming my way. This bill is just an indication that more money is coming because I will have more and more coming to be able to pay for things like this, right? Now, I know it requires a little bit of mindset gymnastics because that's not the natural way that you would necessarily respond to life or respond to life's challenges, but it is so important because it's in that response that you create your next reality, right? So you hear me talk about this all the time. How you react or how you respond to any challenge in your life is directly setting you up for the next thing to come, right? It's setting you up for your future. So if you're moving to this next level place, you really need to be mindful of how you are responding and replying and reacting to your life challenges in the here and now. Okay, so this is for all of my people who are really stepping up to move to the next level. Remember that you have to be really mindful and be aware of what your triggers and challenges are so that you can deal with them in the moment and really make a big impact on your mindset. With that said, I want to also remind you that I have a special Level Up Experience coaching program that's happening. It is a one-on-one program, and this is all about leveling up in your life and business. I've been talking to some people who are kind of interested in it. They're a little hesitant. They don't know what it entails, but I promise you this is going to be an incredibly powerful program that will help you not only take your life to the next level, but help develop that mindset that's going to help you stay at that next level until you move beyond that, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to build a foundation. It's actually 3 months long. We're going to build a foundation for that first month in terms of intentions, figuring out what it is you want, where you're going, setting powerful declarations, and then really taking action to move that forward. Then we're going to be dealing with the foundational pieces, the mindset, really layering in those new beliefs that support you as you move to that next level. The third month is all about upkeep and maintenance, and it's going to be about really handling the challenges that come up, pushing you to the next level, and keeping you accountable to the thing that you declared at the beginning of the program. Now, here's the thing. I am so excited about this program. I am so excited about bringing this to you, and I'm only offering it to a handful of people for this first round. Again, it's a one-on-one program. It's super affordable compared to what it will be when I start this program again in January. So if you are even remotely interested in what this is all about, you want to have a chat, post a comment below this video, get booked in to chat with me because we start this month. It is a one-on-one program, but I'm only registering people for it this month so that we can complete the full cycle by the end of the year. Okay, so if you're interested in this level up experience, I highly suggest you reach out now. I only have a couple of spots that I'm opening because this is sort of a beta test program in terms of how I'm running it, and I would love to have you join me. If you're interested, post a comment below, send me a message on Facebook so that we can get you in for a consultation. With that said, I hope you guys are having a great Monday. Let me know how you guys are doing. If you have questions about this whole mindset triage thing, post the comments below and I will chat with you soon.